Well, hello there. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday, June the 30th. Is today the last month? I don't know if we have a 31st in June. I'm not sure. I don't know everything. I don't. However, it is glorious here. It's a great, great day. I am alive, so I have to just take it all in. I have to just do what it do, right? Outfit of the day. We just got on some t-shirts, leggings, and I got my, I don't know if y'all guys can see my, well, wait a minute. Y'all, what kind of, they can't see down there, Sonia. But anyway, yeah, I just got on some flip-flops. My orange mustard color slides or whatever. But I really don't have anything else on my agenda today. I just want to let you guys know she survived the night. I feel out of 100%, I might feel 80% okay. Yeah, 80%. So I don't know what it is. It could be too, guys. It could be not getting enough rest. And it also could be the apple cider vinegar too, I was thinking. And then it could be something that I ate. Those cookies, even though they're vegan, I probably ate too many of them. Okay, sometimes she's greedy. She is. I'm just being honest, y'all. Even though you might be vegan, you still could be greedy, and I'm one of those greedy vegans. So sometimes, but it could be that. And at the same time, I still, just like I said, not 100%, but I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful to be here, and I'm not going to complain. Just drink a lot of water and do what it does. So yeah, like I said, I'm currently at the gas station. I'm going to go in here and get some gas. Then I have to make another trip. And then I think I'm going to get my day started. So just wanted to check in with you guys and say good morning and hope you all are well and hope you all are safe. I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all, she's back for a minute. Only for a minute. But yeah, go check out my y'all, my Instagram, because I do post like what I eat the day before. I mean the day, that same day or something. So check me out there. Yeah, but I forgot to show y'all. This morning I got a banana, which I'm getting ready to devour, and I got a peach. So those are my two items that I'm going to be eating today to work on my gut, okay? Because if your gut ain't right, you ain't gonna be right. I'm just saying, okay? I'm just being honest. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put something in the mail chute thing here. Make sure everything is correct here. Yeah, if yo, oh, that ain't all the way in there. What's going on? There's too much mail in there. They better come and get that. They gotta come get my mail. It's important. But anyway, yes. Take care of your gut, because if you don't, you're going to be in trouble. You're going to be in trouble. Y'all, I'm working on my windows, making sure my windows are. Tell me if y'all, I don't know, I got a problem. Perfection problem. When I have my windows rolled down, let me know in the comments if you got, or any of y'all like this, male or female. When you have your windows down, I like both windows, front and back, to be at the same height. Isn't that weird? No, is that weird? Is that weird? Is it weird or is it just me? But anyway, yeah. Just wanted to come back and chit chat for a second. So guys, I will probably see you guys later. I'm not sure as what this day is gonna be about. I don't know. Just being for real. So I'll check you guys out later. Okay. Hello guys, I am back. It is, I guess maybe lunchtime, like 12:30, something like that. But yeah, somebody was asking me in the comments, do I exercise when it's real hot outside or go to the mall or something? I think I was checking. So yes, I just got through doing, it is 80 degrees here if you're wondering, and I just got through doing 4 miles. Yes, 4 miles. Walking really fast, you know, with your, when you're using your arms. I did that, I do these crunch things, standing up with your arms, you know, your kneecaps touch. You reverse the two. I did that. I did my steps. I think that was about it. And then at the end, when I get done with everything and I get back to my vehicle, I do 100 jump rope, and then sometime I do 50. I'll do 100 jump rope, and I'll do 50 jumping jacks. So I do 5 sets of 10 jumping jacks. So yeah, I do still get out here and walk even when it's hot, because I try to use the reverse thing in my mind, because a lot of times I might not want to, and a lot of you probably can attest to this. A lot of times you might not want to be, you know, you might not feel like going to exercise because your body is just tired. But the days that you're tired, still try to get some type of exercise. So it's like with me, I do the reverse. If I'm having a bad day and I'm not feeling my greatest, I still would try to do something that I don't want to do in order for me to feel like I did something. Don't get me wrong, you can still, how can I put this? You might be having a bad day and you want to have that bad day. You want to be like, I don't feel good today. I don't want to do anything. But even when I have those days, just say it's 3 things that I want to do. Out of the 3 things that I want to do, I might do one of the things, just to say, even though it was a bad day, I still did something great. So I don't know who this is for. I just thought I'd share it with you. That's just a part of me. You guys getting to know me or know something about me. That's one of the things about me that I wanted to share. So yeah, but all in all, today has been an amazing day, a beautiful day, even though I'm hot and sweaty and I need to wipe my face off. Yeah, so I probably will see you guys. I'm gonna eat my banana because I already ate my peach this morning. Somebody in the comments ways back, maybe some videos back, was asking, why do I eat in my car? And I didn't understand what they were talking about. So I will eat in the morning. Unless I'm running late, I will eat my oatmeal or something like that in the car. But if come lunchtime and I go for a walk or something, I will eat like fruit or something as a lunch snack. So that's why I eat in my car. I'm not going to sit outside on no park bench and eat it, because bugs will be flying in it. They already fly in your ears and your eye sockets and stuff when you're trying to exercise because you're wet. So that is why she eats in her car, eats her snacks or her lunch in her car. So yeah, fun fact. But I will see you guys later. Oh, what I wanted to say too, I forgot. Oh, I think yesterday I had probably left out the table. That table is not new. I did pay $15 for it, however, but it's not new. That table was in my office. So did y'all know that the table was in the office? Because I don't know. I think I was reading the comments. I was skipping through the comments and somebody probably thought that I just bought it. No, it was in the office and it was just sitting there, taking up space, just looking pretty. But I said, let me take it out of here and put it on the side of the couch and maybe a little better. So, guys, I'll see you guys shortly. I'll be home. Look who stopped by. Y'all, it's so hot here, and she complaining about chicken breasts that I bought for her.
I need it for tomorrow morning, and it's kind of froze. So, you know how long it takes chicken breast to thaw out.
But you can say hi to the people.
Hi to the people. I hope y'all day is going very, very well. I hope y'all having a tremendous day. I hope y'all ain't over there stressing, worrying about things you cannot fix.
We don't do that. But anyway, what I was supposed to say? She stopped at Chick-fil-A, y'all.
Oh yeah.
What did you get you?
I got a spicy chicken with deluxe with pepper jack, and I got a 12-piece nugget. And then I gave you my
gave me the fries, and I just tasted one.
And you said it was
salty. It was so salty. So salty.
I'm about to take this and put this in the car, and I'm about to bring that other stuff in.
Oh, okay. You can bring the parsley. Yeah, guys,
parsley,
but
onion. You need garlic, right?
Yeah, garlic, parsley, and the onion. What I was about to say, I forgot my train of thought. But anyway, guys, I'm sitting in my favorite spot in my favorite room. But I just wanted to come back and say to end this video, y'all, because I think this is going to be it for today. I have nothing else to talk about or do. She's about to bring me in some garlic, onions, and parsley. And I'm probably going to saute that. Don't forget, y'all, follow me on Instagram. Then you'll see what I post, what I eat for dinner. So, yeah, guys, I will see y'all in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to think. There's nothing in here. I can give y'all a little pan around. There's nothing. I still haven't, y'all, somebody told me to paint this around here black. I think that is not gonna, that ain't gonna flow if I paint this black. If anything, I'm gonna leave it as it is because it has like a slight gold around the rim. But I do know for sure the picture that's in the office, I made. Oh, she got me a lot of parsley. But
Can you open the door 1 second?
it ain't open? Oh Jesus. But anyway, guys, I probably will go gold in the other that's a lot of, ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at this. She got me a lot of onions and parsley and
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Today was one of my last days in one of my in-person class was Fundamentals of Culinary Arts. So today, our chef let us take home some of the things. So I thought of my mom and gave her all these onions, this lettuce.
Oh yeah, I'm a
parsley and some garlic.
Oh
so.
y'all, I'm in heaven. That's right up my alley. But yeah, guys, I will paint the other one in the office. I'll probably just do a little touches of gold. But guys, that's gonna end it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow in another episode of Simply Natural Black Life. Bye, y'all.